Today I'm going to be repairing this rake. This rake has some sentimental value. It's been in the family for a very long time. It's made out of very durable, high quality plastic. And the claws on it are made out of stainless steel so they don't corrode. And it offers just enough flexibility to grab all them leaves and not damage any plant life. The handle's made out of high quality wood. Okay, let's get started. So it appears this rake has been repaired once before. See, somebody's put one of those screws in it already. So I'm going to take my screw gun and take that out. And take it out. Inspect it. Has a little bit too much corrosion on it. So we're going to use a new one. Uh-oh, it doesn't fit. It doesn't go in far enough. So I'm going to get my gloves and some safety glasses and my special wood grinding tool. And make it fit. Okay, after a few hours of precisely honing this stick down, you see that mark? It goes past the hole by about a half an inch. Before installing my screw, I'm going to go ahead and drill a pilot hole to prevent cracking. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it go through the same hole in the back, but that's not really that important to me. That's not going to work. See, I did get it almost through the same hole. I'm going to be installing this screw with the small washer in it. And I'm using a torque shed for the anti-theft capabilities because most people don't have one. So that way nobody tries to steal my rake handle. And whenever you have screws like this, sticking out the back side, anything, remember to be courteous. Remember to be courteous and take off any points or sharp edges that can possibly poke you or cut you later on. And look, this rake is good as new. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's go test it out real quick. Good as new.